Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Honda CR-V with the remote. First, find the remote start button on your key fob. It often looks like a circular arrow. Make sure all your car doors are completely closed and locked before attempting to start the engine remotely. This system is designed for convenience, allowing you to warm up or cool down your vehicle from a distance. It's a simple process once you know the correct steps to follow. To activate the remote start, begin by pressing the lock button on your key fob one time. This action confirms the vehicle is secure and ready for remote operation. Immediately after, within about 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button. You should see the parking lights flash, indicating the command was received. The engine will then start, running for approximately 10 minutes before automatically shutting off. Remember, your Honda CR-V needs to have a minimum of 5 liters of fuel in the tank for the remote start to function properly. Also, for safety reasons, the system will not engage if the hood is open, so always ensure it is securely latched. If you need more time, you can extend the run time for an additional 10 minutes by repeating the lock and hold sequence while the engine is already running. If your remote start isn't working, first check your key fob battery. A low battery is a common culprit. Also, confirm there are no active warning lights on your dashboard, as some can prevent remote starting. For more helpful tips and to make meal prep easy with fantastic leak-proof containers, check the description below for links and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.